guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, if you already seen by the thumbnail and the title, you already know I'm playing with a brand new e.l.f. x Chipotle collaboration. When I tell you this collaboration has to be literally top one right now for me. So I actually did purchase the entire collection. I have the palette, I have the sponge, the lip gloss, and I also have the makeup bag. So that is what we're gonna be playing with today. But before we jump into this review, honey, don't forget to subscribe, honey. Hit that notification bell on so you would never miss an upload. I do upload videos every single week. With that being said, let's get right into this video. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with some eyeshadow primer. I already did my eyebrows off camera just to save some little time. So I actually went in with the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown, which is literally a holy grail pencil. And I also went in with the e.l.f. pomade in the shade Espresso. So for eyeshadow primer, I'm gonna go in with this baby right here. This is literally one of my holy grails. So now we're gonna move into the palette. Boom, this is the palette. I love this silver, nice, sleek, very nice packaging. And when you open it, oh my God, look at that. Like, giving me straight Chipotle, of course. Like, I am in love with this palette. I kind of want to do just something different, just completely different than what I usually do, which is obviously blend a whole bunch of color and then darken the outer V with a little bit of shimmer. But I kind of want to just do like a dark, one of these dark brown colors on the outer V, like just solid V, and then just do shimmers going into that shadow. I don't know, it's weird, but that's kind of what I want to do today. So, alright, so I'm going to take this detailing brush from Morphe. This is the M508 brush. And I want to go into this shade right here called Black Beans. And I want to take and create the outer V shape and then fill it in with another brush. You're going to see. We're going to see. Again, this is the M508 brush. I love this brush. Alright, so I have some product. So like I said, I kind of want to just follow my natural shape. Wow. Holy crap. That is pigmented. Then just go from the bottom, right where my eye ends, and just kind of flick it up and just connect that. So as you can see, that's what I want. Alright, so the shape is on. Trust the process, because it's gonna look crazy, and I'm trusting it too because I don't know what I'm doing. But now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go right back into Black Beans, and I'm gonna pat on the color just to fill it in. This brown, Jesus Christ, this palette is pigmented. So that is the brown laid down. Again, this looks crazy, but just winging it, baby. Alright, so with this little brush right here, I'm gonna take the shade Lettuce right here, this beautiful green color, and I wanna blend that with this green. And again, I just wanna blend this harsh line with the green. So now I want to go in with the shade right here. This is Guac. I'm going to take it with my finger and just place it right where the brown finishes so we can blend that together. Okay, I must admit that, honey, whoa. I'm going to start on this side right here and whoa, did you see that? So pretty so far. Oh yes. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the next eye. I'm gonna take some of that Black Bean on the blending brush just to blend the edges out here. So this one looks so crazy. Alright guys, so that is guac all blended in. This looking so freaking cute. Like these shimmers and just everything is blending so beautiful. Like, oh my god, elf. Okay, so now I want to move into this shade right here called Mild Salsa. That's what I'm going to blend the guac with. I'm going to take some Mild Salsa on my finger and do the same little thing I did before. Like these shimmers, honey. I must say, this has to be the best shimmers that elf ever made. Like, honey, that looks amazing. So I kind of want to wet the brush with the mild salsa, I'm sorry, just to see what it does. I'm just gonna lightly pat it in. Wow, do you guys see that? This looks so freaking pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna take some on my finger again and do the same thing on this eye. If you guys are like even considering buying this collection, hurry up and buy it like right now. I'm not playing, because if you're seeing this. If you're watching this video, you are just seeing this just play out so good. And as you can see, I'm literally using my fingers for 90% of this eyeshadow, and this is looking just pretty, like with my fingers. Alright guys, so for the inner part of my eye, I want to go in with this shade right here called Corn Salsa. This beautiful yellow shimmer. And holy crap, you see that? Gold, yellow, oh yes honey. And I'm just going to pop that right in my inner corner. Little pop of good old corn. So I'm gonna take this M224 brush and I'm gonna go in Corn Salsa, and of course I'm gonna spray my brush, and we're gonna go baby and really flex this color in here. Oh my god, Lord have mercy. Like, this is beautiful. Do you see that color? Like, I know I'm not bugging. Like, this kind of like overpowered mild salsa, but we're gonna go back in there and obviously fix it up. But this, honey, this yellow. And then I'm gonna take the fluffy brush, take some of the black bean, just so I could deepen this corner up and really blend that out. Alright guys, so that is the eyes for now. This, honey, this palette to me. For mascara, I am using the Lash Out Loud mascara. This, I tried it out in my past video, and when I tell you, honey, this mascara, it is so freaking good. It's lengthening, it separates your lashes really well. It is not clumpy whatsoever, and I believe this mascara is only like $6, which is crazy because it is so freaking good. So the only thing that I'm not using that's e.l.f. are lashes, which now I'm thinking of it, I'm like, boy, you put a whole order in on e.l.f.com, but you didn't get some lashes. So while the lash glue dries and all that good stuff, but let's just prime the face really quick. I'm gonna take these babies off. This is the holy grail combination that I've been literally using for a minute already. So I'm talking about the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, and then for the grippy primer, I am loving this e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Primer. This is just another dupe for the Milk Hydrating Hydro Grip, which I actually love that primer, but this is bomb. Alright guys, so for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. CC Camo Cream. This has just been freaking yummy. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it out. This is a CC cream, SPF 30. This is full coverage if you want it to be full coverage. It is just amazing, especially when you pair it up with the e.l.f. complexion brush. If you've seen my videos, you know that every video I rave about this freaking brush. I use it with all of my foundation, but when it comes to this, honey, so I'm gonna do about 2 pumps. Let's get to blending this foundation out. Alright guys, so CC cream is all blended out, and this looks so beautiful. Like, it's just every time I put it on, it's just I actually have to get another bottle because mine is almost literally done. So for concealer, I wanted to try this new concealer that e.l.f. dropped. This is the Flawless Brightening Concealer. I know this one doesn't have super like coverage. I am in the shade Light 26N. It's supposed to be really brightening. I actually been loving the under eye brightening tint from Milani in the shade 120 Peach. That has been literally holy grail. So I wanted to try this out. So it comes with a little brush, which is not my favorite, but we're gonna try it out. So now let's kind of distribute that between both eyes, and wow, holy crap, that's freaking bright as F. So I'm just gonna apply it the way I normally would apply concealer. So to blend the concealer, oh my god, this has to be the cutest blenders e.l.f. or anybody, I should say, has ever done. And of course, I got the Extra Guac Face Dual Sponge. So it comes with the avocado sponge and then the little pit, which I cannot. So I'm actually gonna go wet these sponges and I'll be right back so we can blend this concealer out. So I'm gonna take this and blend this concealer out and just see how bright. Wow, this sponge really just fits perfectly under the eye, which is so cool. Alright, so that is the concealer blended out. It is cute. It is definitely a brightening concealer. It's okay. I still like my Milani. I think it's way more brightening than this one, but this is cute. I actually do like it. The only thing I don't like is this little brush applicator. I just think that is not super sanitary. But now for some concealer, honey. I'm gonna go in with literally my holy grail concealer. I freaking love this concealer, and I'm talking about their Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is just amazing, especially I feel if you have dry under eyes, this is amazing. I'm gonna go in with my avocado sponge and blend this out. e.l.f. never fails, literally. So to set my under eyes, guys, I'm gonna go in with the Halo Glow Setting Powder. This is literally one of my holy grail setting powder. It is just so good. I am in the shade Light. I personally like going with a nice big fluffy blending brush to apply my setting powder under my eyes. Alright, so we're gonna take this setting powder and I'm just gonna literally swipe it and blend it. Oh, such a good powder, guys. Like, such a good powder. So for blush, I'm gonna go in with one of e.l.f.'s putty blushes, which is literally my favorite, or one of my favorite cream blushes. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Bali, which is this nice pinky tone right here. So I'm actually gonna take the little pit from the dual sponge, and I'm really gonna pack some color in here. This, ooh, okay, see that little pink here? So that's good right there. And then I'll go in with my fingers and just blend it all in. And these really blend into just a beautiful flush of color. Like, do you see that? It's so pretty. So for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Primer Infused Bronzer. This one is in the shade Forever Sunkissed. It's just so pretty. I feel like you could really build it up if you wanted to, and it's not gonna be muddy on your skin, which, oh yes. And to set the blush, I'm gonna go in with the Primer Infused blush. This one is in the shade Forever Rosy. I think it just matches the shade from the putty blush really well, and this one is so pretty. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Stipple brush, which is my favorite way to apply blush, sorry. Go in here and just, again, just set this blush really lightly. Oh, I said lightly. So So let's finish off these bottom lashes, honey, before I apply highlighter and lip. So I want to go into the shade Hot Salsa, which is this orange shade, sequin shades right there, and just apply that on the bottom lashes. So I'm going to take this nice flat brush because I want to really go close to my lash line. So I'm going to take this white hair brush just slightly to blend this out just a little bit, not too much. I don't want to lose it. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This was in the shade White Gold. I love this highlighter, one because it is subtle, but you could really build it up if you want to, and it just gives you like this beautiful little glow. You see that? Like nothing really crazy, but you could definitely build it up if you wanted to. That is pretty the house, really pretty, right? So now let's move on to the lippy honeys. So of course I have the Chipotle lip gloss. This is the Make It Hot Lip Plumping Gloss. This one is so cute. I love the packaging. It's giving me like luxury. It's giving me, yeah, it's giving me packaging, honey. So I actually want to apply a lip color just because I want to, you know, play off with my eye look today. So I'm gonna use this lip liner from their Retro Paradise collection, which is this nice brown color. And then I have this new Hydrating Core Lip Shine, which looks very, very interesting. So this is what the packaging looks like. It has like this weird heart in the middle. I did swatch it. It's not super pigmented, but I wanted to try it out. It's been sitting in my collection for maybe like a week or so. So I'm gonna line my lips first with this liner. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hydrating Core Lip Shine. So let's see how this applies first. And okay, so it's not super pigmented. Okay, so I don't know if you could tell any color, but I think this is just like a little lip balm. Nothing with like real shade. So yeah, I mean, it is cute. It feels really hydrating on the lips. It has a little tint to it, but so now let's try what we're here for, this lip plumping gloss. So again, this is the Make It Hot Plumping Lip Gloss. So let's see. Again, it's just giving me big red gum. Like, oh my god, yes. So let's apply this baby. Okay, so now I feel the tingling sensation, but honey, it is nothing like the gloss that I tried from Milani. That is straight fire on your lips. But this, ooh, this is it feels cooling, but it doesn't feel like, oh my god, it's burning my lips. But ooh, I love how wet your lips look with this. So okay, so it's not bad. Alright guys, so to set this mug, I'm gonna go in with the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. This one is up to 16 hours of wear. This is so freaking good.
So I'm gonna just spray this mug.
Alright guys, so this is the final look using the e.l.f. and Chipotle collaboration. I am so freaking happy that I finally got this in the mail. I literally got it today. I got out of work around 8 o'clock at night. I rushed over here to my house. I got the package and I literally was just like, you know what, I'm gonna film today. You guys deserve for me to put this out. I wanted to film this for you guys because I was so excited to use this, and I'm telling you guys right now, this to me is an A++. Yes, you got 100 on the test. You passed everything, like just everything. This palette right here is the epitome of just yummy, like. But of course guys, I want to thank you for tuning in and hanging out with your boy. I hope you like this look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this video? What did you think about the e.l.f. and Chipotle collaboration? Let's have a little chat, honey, because you know I love talking to you guys. But with that being said, guys, again, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.